Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new. I'm Olivia, and today I'm going to be showing you how to easily put together a beautiful housewarming basket for friends or family. Super easy to put together and completely customizable to that person or the type of theme that you want to go for. So let's just jump right into how to make this really easy and beautiful housewarming basket. Like I said, you can use just about anything for this housewarming basket. You can go with different themes such as like an Italian pasta night, pancake, breakfast kind of basket and stuff like that. But I just went for an overall kind of kitchen housewarming basket. You can just choose anything that you see fit for the person that's receiving the gift. For my basket, I went for more of a kitchen homey theme. So first I'll need a basket, and then to add to the kitchen theme, I put in a kitchen towel. So this one's really cute because it has a recipe on it. So just finding like cute kitchen towels are really nice. A wooden board. So I love using wooden boards for cheese platters, but it's also really practical for a chopping board. Some wooden utensils. I really like using wooden utensils, and plus even if they don't use them, it looks really cute as decor pieces. A nice clean scented candle. So I feel like a clean fresh scent is something very safe that you can give to just about anybody. It's especially nice when you're moving into a new place to have a clean fresh scent throughout the house. So I really like to give a clean scented candle to someone, so like fresh linen or something just light and airy. Tea and mug. So the person that I'm giving this to loves tea, so I thought that this was a nice addition to the housewarming basket, and it just gives that cozy and homey feel that you want when you're moving into a new home. Some soap. I love foam soap, and you can never have too much soap, so I'm sure that your gift recipient will appreciate some soap. And lastly, I got some basil and a pot. So I just picked up a basil plant from the grocery store. I think basil is the best smelling fresh herb out there, and you can use it for so many different things, and it just adds so much life to the kitchen just having some fresh herbs. So I really like to give some fresh element, whether that be flowers or an herb. And then I got this inexpensive pot from IKEA. So as I mentioned, you can customize your basket. Some things that I tend to include are a bottle of wine, salt and pepper shakers, or any additional cooking utensils, and some hand lotion. So that would pair nicely with the soap as well. So the first step that you want to do to prepare your housewarming basket is, of course, remove any of the price stickers that are on there or any labels or anything like that. So sometimes it can be difficult to remove. So a trick that I have is taking some essential oil, citrus essential oils work best, and just dabbing it on the sticker or the label and letting it sit for a minute or two. Sometimes it can be almost instant, so it just depends. I didn't let this sit for too long, so I did have to use my nail and the paper towel to rub it out a little bit, but if you let it sit for longer, it will come off a lot easier. The great thing about this basket in particular is that it's one, really inexpensive from Kmart. I'll link it down below. If you're from Australia or New Zealand, you might be able to find this basket, so I'll link it down below. But you can probably find similar items in Michael's or any craft supply store in the US. So I really love this chalkboard style basket because you can use it for just about anything. Some for outdoor stuff, I have it in my pantry, and I thought it was perfect to give to someone else because one, I can write this cute little message of welcome home or home sweet home, or you know, anything, happy birthday. You can put anything on it, but then the gift recipient can put anything on it too. So like storage basket or laundry detergent, like they can just put anything on the basket. Practical basket to give to anyone. What you want to do next is start assembling your basket, and this can take a little bit of time because you want to play around with the order and the combination of how you want to put stuff in. So you might not be able to fit everything in your basket, so you either need to get a larger basket or just take some things out, which I found that I did have more stuff that could fit in the basket. What I like to do is start at the back of the basket and put the larger items in and work my way to the front. So I put in the basil plant and the wooden board and stuff like that, and just rearranged it to a combination that I think is visually appealing. Like I said, it's really customizable to put together this basket. So the finished result is this beautiful personalized housewarming basket. It's super affordable and your gift recipient will be so thrilled with it and will definitely make the space feel more homey. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up this video if you liked it. I'll have links down below, and I also did a blog post for this video, so you can find link to that blog post down below as well, and that will go through everything. There'll be additional pictures, links, that kind of stuff. So if you're interested in any of that, I definitely recommend checking out the links down below, and you can see more information from me. But I hope you guys subscribe and stick around, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!